CVVA families, many of you have been waiting very patiently for a different option for music and art. This video will walk you through a quick preview, and you'll also be prompted to make your selection. So let's get started. The CV options for music and art are self-paced, ungraded, designed to be completed within 60 days, and will be hosted on CV's Schoology website. If you're choosing the CV option for music or art, I will give you a code to access on the Schoology website. Please note, the 4th through 6th grade music course is still in development at this time. Let's take a peek inside of Schoology to see what they look like. For the primary art classes, that's kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, each unit has a colored folder inside of Schoology. Start at the beginning, go inside the folder, and you'll see lessons. Each lesson goes in order. Click to open the lesson, and there is a video component. There's also a suggested time to let you know how often it should take. When you're ready to open the lesson, simply download the video and open it on your device. There is a voiceover that's included to help young learners pay attention and be engaged throughout the lesson. Of course, please make sure that you're supporting your learner at home if they need help. Once the lesson is complete, you'll go back to the folders by clicking on CVVA Art Primary and moving on to the next unit called Still Life Artworks. Again, lessons are included, and there's a gallery post at the end that you may choose to do. If your child is in kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, or 3rd grade, this is a choice for the CV Art course. You'll notice at the top this is for the intermediate learners, 4th, 5th, and 6th graders. Each unit is listed in order, and lessons are also included on the inside. Again, there is a gallery for your learner to share what they've learned if they want to. Now let's take a peek at the music course. Inside of Schoology, there is a primary music course for kindergartners through 3rd grade. Don't worry about the section or the building. Here we have an announcement post that has some important information, reminding you to be sure to click the Present button. I'll show you what that means. The first unit is called The Farm. It's a PowerPoint here, and in order to get the voices to work, simply click the Present button. It opens the PowerPoint slide and a small speaker will appear, which was recorded by a CV staff member, and walks your learner through the lesson. Once you're completed through this lesson, you may close the PowerPoint and head back to the beginning to go on to the next unit called the kitchen. Now that you've gotten to see a preview of what the art and music courses look like from Conestoga Valley, please let us know what you're choosing. Do you want the CV or the K-12 courses? First, be sure to give us your child's first and last name, since there's hundreds of students in CVVA this year. And then simply let us know for art, which are you choosing, and for music, which are you choosing. After you hit the submit button, we will do our very best to make sure that your wishes are put into place by the end of this week. This ends the preview of the CV options for music and art at this time. Thank you, and please complete the survey quickly. Stay safe.